welcome to this Mancala tutorial. For those of you who are unfamiliar with this game, I'm so glad you're here today because I want to tell you all about this ancient game that's one of the easiest things to set up and even more fun to play. I've been playing this math strategy game since I was 7, but its history goes back way further than that as arguably one of the world's oldest games. It's been regionally known as either Wari, Owari, Bao, Ayo, Konka, Gebera, and many more. Many cultures across Africa and Asia and other corners of the world have adapted this game with different variations, like so.
Because of the very few resources it required, most often being just holes in the ground and rocks or seeds, you can see why it has been an ancient pastime. The word Mancala is derived from the Arabic word No'kila, literally meaning to move. So, each culture's specific game falls under the class of being a Mancala game, which is why in the states and stores today, it is given the very general term of Mancala. So let's talk about the rules. This 2-player game has 2 sides of the board and each player's Mancala, or collection store. The goal of the game is to end up with more stones in your Mancala than your opponent. Start with 4 stones in each of the small holes on the board. The game begins with one player picking up all of the pieces in one of the holes on their side. Moving counterclockwise, the player deposits one of the stones in each hole until the stones run out. If you run into your own store, deposit 1 piece in it. If the last piece you drop is in your own store, you get a free turn. If you run into your opponent's store, skip it. If the last piece you drop is in an empty hole on your side, you capture that piece and any pieces in the hole directly opposite. Always place all captured pieces in your store. The game ends when all 6 spaces on one side of the Mancala board are empty. The player who still has stones on their side of the board when the game ends captures all of those stones. Count all the stones in each store. The winner is the player with the most stones.
So I encourage you all to get started on playing this game. There are inexpensive boards you can find online, phone apps you can download for free, or my personal favorite, making a board and pieces out of materials you may have in your own home. On a rainy or cold day outside, this is the perfect game to play with a buddy or family member, but it can easily be adapted for outdoors as well, depending on what materials you use. As it is a strategy game, there's always room to get better and better the more you play, especially using that fantastic elastic brain of yours. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this. If you want to show off a picture of your family playing the game, or maybe a cool board you built yourself, post it online and tag us at Dallas Public Library. Thank you!